The rainbow was never meant to be caught. It was a gift to everyone. It shined from afar. Smiling, Lila lifted her face. She promised to keep that joy, like a rainbow inside her soul. Lila felt happiness bloom in her heart. The rainbow's colors danced in her mind. She knew this feeling would last forever. The memory warmed her like sunshine. She decided to share her joy. Lila told her friends about the rainbow. They all looked up at the sky together.
Imagine unlocking a creative force so powerful, it feels like capturing lightning in your hands. A single spark becomes a stunning visual. A whisper of inspiration becomes a masterpiece. This isn't just another tool. It's the place where imagination ignites, ideas shimmer, and ordinary creations transform into pure brilliance. Ready to see what your creativity looks like illuminated? Giveaway alert. We are giving away 4 free passes. No, don't miss your chance to experience next-level creative power completely free. Here's how to enter. Sign up using the link in the description. This helps you get instant access and makes you eligible for the giveaway. Leave a comment below. Tell us what you'd create first. Every comment boosts engagement and increases the visibility of the video, helping our community grow. Stay tuned for winner announcements. We'll be selecting 4 lucky winners, so keep an eye on updates.
Welcome back to ManuAGI tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Let's introduce Magiclight.ai. Go to Google and search Magiclight.ai. Open the first link that appears. Once the website loads, you'll see an interface with the option Create Your First Story Free. Click on this button. After clicking, you will be taken to the main home interface of the tool. At the center of the screen, you'll see the Creation Center, which includes the 4 primary features: Story to Video, Kids Story Video, Music Video, Explainer Video. Scrolling down will reveal even more features such as Religious Story, AI Video Agent, Image to Video, Character Vlog, and AI Character. You'll also find a wide collection of 1,000+ trending video templates, allowing you to choose any template to create your video. Now scroll back to the top. On the top right corner of the page, you'll see the Login option. Click it and log into your account. After logging in, you will see your available credits displayed at the top right corner. How to use Magiclight.ai Kids Story Video feature. For this tutorial, we will be using the Kids Story Video feature. Go to Kids Story Video and click the Create button. Once the interface loads, you'll notice it is completely user-friendly. At the top, you'll find the Story Topic section, where you can type or paste your story. Next, choose the background for your video. There are several options available such as rainbow, glow, friends, imagination, and many more. After selecting the background, choose your model. We'll be using the Magiclight 2.2 model. Then proceed to the Style section, where you can choose from various styles like realistic, 3D cartoon, Disney style, and others. Main video settings. Here are the key settings you can adjust before generating your video. Aspect ratio. Choose between 16:9 or 9:16. Video duration. Select the length of the video, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and more options available. Language. Pick your preferred language. Story model. Choose the model for generating your story. Video model. Select the model for video creation. Voiceover. Choose a voice for narration. Background music. Add music to enhance your video. Once all settings are selected, you're ready to generate your amazing kids story video using Magiclight.ai. Now let's move on to entering the story. If you already have a story prepared, simply paste it into the story topic box. If not, open ChatGPT in a new tab and type the following prompt. Prompt: generate a kid story on motivation. There are 3 characters: Jerry, Olivia, and Leo. Jerry is a girl who is intelligent, Olivia is cute and smart, and Leo is a smart, handsome, and ambitious boy. After entering this prompt, ChatGPT will generate a motivational story titled The Mountain of Big Dreams. Copy the entire story, then return to the Magiclight.ai tool and paste it into the story topic field. Next, choose the background effect. We will select the rainbow effect for this example. Then select the model. We will use the default Magiclight 2.2 model. After that, choose your style. For this tutorial, we will select the handcrafted style. Now let's adjust the remaining settings. For the aspect ratio, you get two options, 16:9, 9:16. We will choose 16:9. In video duration, there are several options available, and for this tutorial, we will select 5 minutes. Next, choose your language. We will use English. For story model, select Gemini 3. Then choose the video model. You'll see many models in the list, but we will select Kling 1.6. Now choose the voiceover for your story video. We will select Martha. Finally, choose the background music. We will select Gemini. Once all settings are completed, you'll see two options at the bottom. Preview storyboard, create video. We will choose preview storyboard first. You can directly create the video if you want, but previewing helps you check everything before finalizing. After clicking preview storyboard, the tool will take a few minutes to process. You'll see the message that the story analysis has started, and once it's done, your storyboard will appear. Here you can see all the generated images, and the quality is very impressive. On the top left corner, you'll find the voiceover speed setting, where you can adjust the speed to fast or slow. You'll also see the voiceover option again. Even though we selected Martha earlier, you can still change the voice here if you want. The tool generates 60 storyboards for your story. And what's amazing is the consistent characters. Every storyboard uses the same characters, their face, clothes, and appearance remain perfectly consistent. This is one of the reasons I love this tool. It creates consistent character videos quickly without needing to fix every image manually. If you click on any storyboard image, you can check its quality and style. If an image didn't come out correctly, for example, if there's a mistake, you can regenerate it. Just select the image you want to fix, and on the right side in the middle, you'll see the Regen button. Click it, and after a few moments, the tool will regenerate the image. As you can see in our example, the first image had the head placed incorrectly on the body, but after regenerating, the tool fixed it perfectly. You can use this feature to correct any image that didn't generate properly. Animating the images. Now it's time to animate our images. Go to the Animate option, which is slightly above the bottom right corner, and click Animate. You'll first see the Animate 1 option along with many animation tools you can choose from. This option animates only one image. However, we want to animate all images at once, so we click Animate All. Once you click Animate All images will automatically be selected. Now click Next. You'll now see the same interface that appears under the Animate 1 option. Here, simply select the Kling 1.6 animation model and click Confirm. If a confirmation window appears again, just click Confirm once more. Now wait for the animation process to complete. After waiting a few minutes, you'll see that all the images have been fully animated. You can scroll through them to check the animations. Next, let's review the voiceover. Go to the center of the interface and look at the bottom right corner. You'll find the voiceover option, click on it. Here you'll see the speaker settings and the voice options, along with a preview voice button. To check the quality of the selected voice, simply click on Preview Voice.
Leela loved the sky after rain.
You can listen to the voiceover, and in our case, the audio quality sounds great. After checking the voiceover, click the Next button located at the top right corner. Cover Page Settings. You will now see the Cover Page section. Here you can select a cover image that will appear at the beginning of your video. Next, enter the story title and choose your preferred title style. Once the cover is set, move to the subtitle settings and choose whether you want subtitles in the video. Then go to the background music section. Since we already selected music earlier, we'll simply continue. Now click on the Generate button. Final Generate button. After clicking Generate, the tool will ask you to confirm the aspect ratio. Select 16:9 again, and set the video export resolution to high. Click OK. The tool will now start processing your video. Once the processing is complete, you'll see the video preview. Click on the video to watch it. If everything looks good, you can download it by clicking the Download button. You can also publish the video by clicking the Publish button located at the top right corner. After a few minutes, your video will be successfully published. And now you can see that your video is fully created and published. Before you go, guess what? We've got something extra exciting just for you. Giveaway alert. We are giving away 4 free passes. Don't miss your chance to experience next-level creative power completely free. Here's how to enter. Sign up using the link in the description. This gives you instant access and makes you officially eligible for the giveaway. 2. Leave a comment below. Tell us what you'd create first. Every comment helps the video reach more awesome creators. Thank you for helping our community grow. 3. Stay tuned for winner announcements. We'll be picking 4 lucky winners, so keep your eyes open for updates. Wow, that was so much fun. Thanks for watching and creating with us today. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to tap that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the magic bell so you never miss a brand new video. Keep imagining, keep exploring, and keep being awesome. See you next time for another super cool creation. Bye-bye.